Today I'm going to show you how to find your Gmail password in Google Chrome using the built-in Google Password Manager. This is a quick and simple method if you've already saved your login details before and just need to view them again. Keep in mind, this only works if your password was previously saved on your device. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu icon. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and tools. From the menu, hover over or click on Passwords and Autofill. Then select Google Password Manager. This will open the Password Manager where Chrome stores saved usernames and passwords linked to your Google account. Now use the search bar inside Google Password Manager and type Gmail or Google. This helps you quickly narrow down the saved logins and find the right account. After that, look through the results and select the Gmail account you want to check. If you have more than one Google login saved, make sure you choose the correct one. When you click the account, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity first. This can be your computer password, PIN, or another device lock method, depending on your system. Enter that information when prompted. This security step is there to protect your saved passwords from being viewed by anyone else. Once you're verified, you'll see the password field with an eye icon next to it. Click the eye icon to reveal the saved Gmail password. At that point, you can read it, copy it, or use it to sign into your account somewhere else. And that's it. You've now found your saved Gmail password using Chrome and Google Password Manager. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.